That's your Sunday night sport, guys. I tell you, if today is any indication as what the next 14 or 15 days are going to be like here, we are in for one cracker of a tournament.
Yeah, and he's absolutely bouncing. It sounds like we've got a nightclub behind us here at the moment, Tony. So all happening at the Oz Open. Let's head over to Garden Square. Livinia is there for us. And Livinia, look, it sounds like we've got some warmer weather on the way.
Oh, we do, Tom. Here at Melbourne Park, it should be 5 degrees warmer than today. But the weather has got a few curveballs for us in the first week, and I'll have the full 7-day forecast for you next. Hello again from Melbourne Park on this historic first Sunday of the 2024 Australian Open. The weather has been ideal for players and crowds. The city peaked at 23 degrees. It's been a little cooler at Geelong with a top of 21. Most suburbs have warmed up into the low to mid-20s this afternoon. Epping reached 26 degrees, Moorabbin 25, Ringwood 24. And the beautiful summer sunshine made up for those gusty breezes. It's been quite cloudy through Gippsland. That cloud has produced a few light showers this afternoon. The northeast has been the warmest part of the state, 33 at Rutherglen. But there has been thunderstorm activity there as well, and an isolated storm delivered 27 millimetres of rain to Mount Buller. And a severe thunderstorm warning is currently in place for the northeast corner with the risk of heavy rain. But those storms are expected to ease after 8 p.m. Further out, the monsoon trough is producing heavy rain across the top end, and for Darwin, it's also delivered the coolest daytime temperatures since July. A low is set to form tomorrow, and while it isn't expected to develop into a tropical cyclone, it will enhance the rainfall, with Darwin in line for 250 to 300 millimetres in the next 48 hours. There'll also be significant rain along the New South Wales coast, up to 45 millimetres for Sydney, 24 degrees. Light showers for Brisbane and a top of 30. A cooler and showery day in Canberra, 20 degrees. Hobart will be under partly cloudy skies with a mild top of 23. The hot spell continues in Perth, 37 degrees. Warm in Adelaide as well, 34. Back home, there's the risk of thunderstorms, possibly severe over the eastern ranges, but there'll be dry and mostly sunny skies elsewhere. Areas north of the ranges are expected to warm up into the high 20s and low 30s. And in the southwest, Hamilton is forecast to reach 30, Warrnambool 28. But onshore winds will keep it a little cooler across Gippsland, with most spots heading for the mid-20s. And the east to northeasterly winds will be fresh along the coast. It'll be a warmer day across Melbourne tomorrow, with most suburbs heading for 28 degrees, 29 at Scoresby. The morning will be the sunniest time of the day, with a slight risk of a thunderstorm sparking up in the afternoon. And the easterly breezes will be quite gusty at times. After an overnight low of 17 degrees, Geelong's heading for 27. And Melbourne is also expected to dip to 17, ahead of a top of 28. The forecast will be even warmer on Tuesday, a top of 30. 25 on Wednesday, with rain and storms possible from the late morning, up to 15 millimetres of rain. A few showers on Thursday, 23. Cloudy skies on Friday, and 22. Then next weekend is looking picture perfect. Plenty of blue sky, a maximum of 28 degrees. So Melbourne's weather will keep things interesting for the first week here at Melbourne Park. Alicia and Tom.
I wouldn't have it any other way. Livinia, great to see you. And that is 9 News for this Sunday, live from Melbourne Park.
Thank you for joining us. We hope you have a great evening.